there are 30 coins in the bag. They consist of 20-cent and 50-cent coins. The total value of the coins is $9.30. So how many 20-cent and 20-cent coins are these? So in this question, usually we either use the supposition or the assumption method to solve, or we can use the guess and check way. So I'm going to solve it by using the supposition way first. I'm going to explain it by drawing a model. So now I'm going to draw a rectangle over here, which is going to represent the number of 20-cent coins. Okay, the length on top will represent the number. Okay, and then the height over here will represent the 20 cent. Here to here. So obviously we do not know how many 20-cent coins are there. Now I'm going to draw another box which is going to represent the 50-cent coins. Okay, it's going to be over here. So it's going to be taller, okay, because it's 50 cent. It's a lot more than 20 cent. Okay, but the problem is we do not know how many 50-cent coins are there. So we're going to just leave it at a certain random length, like this. Okay, the black color box will represent the 50-cent coins. This will be the number. And the height will represent the 50 cent. Okay, if we use the number of coins multiplied by 50 cent, we're gonna get the total amount of money over here. And if we use the number of coins of the 20 cent multiplied by 20 cent, we're gonna get the amount of money for the 20 cent coins. And if we add them together, okay, it's gonna give me $9.30. The only thing that we know is the total number over here is 30. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna assume that all of them are 20-cent coins. So we're gonna use 30 multiplied by 20-cent coin. It's gonna give me $6. Now, what does these $6 represent? Okay, if I use 30 coins multiplied by 20 cents, okay, this is gonna be represented by the area of this rectangle over here. Remember, the total value of all the coins are $9.30, right? Which means that if you use $9.30 minus away $6, you're gonna get $3.30. And where is this $3.30? Okay, this $3.30 is basically the area of this box over here. And in this box, right, if you look at the height, you should realize that over here it is 50 cents minus 20 cents, which is 30 cents, right? Okay, so using $3.30 divided by 30 cents, it's going to give us the number over here. Which is also equal to the number of 50-cent coins. So we are going to use $3.30 divided by 30 cents is going to give us 11 coins. Okay, this is for the 50 cents. Since the question is asking how many 20-cent coins are there, which means that you have to use 30 minus 11. That's going to give us 19 coins for the 20 cent. Okay, I'm going to use a guess and check way to solve also. Now I'm going to try and squeeze it over here. This is going to be the guess and check weight. So we're gonna guess how many 20-cent coins are there. And we're gonna guess how many 50-cent coins are there. Right? And we're gonna check what is the total. Okay, we will start off with usually the midpoint, which is 15. Okay, 15 20-cent coins. Okay, it's gonna give me $3. Right, 15 50-cent coins will give me $7.50. Okay, which means that total will be $7.50 plus $3 is $10, which is wrong. The next guess is the most important guess because we're gonna increase it by 1 or decrease it by 1. Okay, this is not $10, this is $10.50. Okay, since we are already overshot, right? Because we want to reach $9.30. So we are going to decrease the 50 cent and we're gonna increase the 20 cent. Okay, now I will use 16. I do not need to multiply because I just need to add 20 cents to this. $3.20. This will be 14. Gonna be $7. Okay, the total will be $10.20. Okay, let me scroll it over to this side. Okay, this is also obviously wrong, but what we want to look out for is, right, what's the difference from the first guess to the second guess, right? The difference is 30 cent. Okay, this also means that in my next guess, I'm going to use black color, right? Okay, if it is 17 and 13, it will still decrease by 30 cent, which will give me a $9.90. Okay, so I just need to decrease until I get $9.30, right? That will be another 2 more, right? Which means that I know that I need to add 2 to the 20 cents, which is 19. And this is 11. Okay, so I will do a check. 19 times, maybe I can write it on top. $3.80 and 11 of it will be times 0.5 is $5.50. Okay, if you add them together, it's gonna give you $9.30.